Welcome to channel Zoboto, and in this video I'm gonna tell you all the subjects, its units of second year computer engineering. So let's get started. So in semester 3 of second year computer science engineering, there is discrete mathematics, in which the units are set theory and logic. In this unit, the topics are discrete mathematics, significance of discrete mathematics in computer engineering, sets, naive set theory, which is also called as Cantorian set theory, axiomatic set theory, need for sets, representation of set operation, cardinality of set, principle of inclusion and exclusion, types of sets, countable and uncountable, then finite and infinite sets, countably infinite and uncountably infinite sets, introduction to bounded and unbounded sets, and multiset, countability of rational numbers using Cantor diagonalization argument, power set, then propositional logic, logic propositional equivalences, application of propositional logic, translating English sentences, proof by mathematical induction and strong mathematical induction. Then second unit is relations and functions, and topics are relations and their properties, n array relations and their applications, representing relations, closures of relations, equivalence relations, partial ordinings, partitions, Hess diagram, lattices, chains and anti-chains, transitive closure and Warshaw's algorithm, n-array relations and their applications, functions, surjective, injective and bijective functions, inverse function and compositions of functions, the pigeonhole principle. Third unit is counting, and the topics are the basics of counting, rule of sum and product, permutations and combinations, binomial coefficients and identities, generalized permutations and combinations, algorithms for generating permutations and combinations. Fourth unit is graph theory, and in this the topics are graphs and graphs model, graph terminology and special types of graphs, representing graphs and graph isomorphism, connectivity, Euler and Hamilton paths, single source shortest path, Dijkstra algorithm, planar graph, graph coloring, case study, web graph and Google Map. The fifth unit is trees. Topics are introduction, properties of tree, binary search tree, decision tree, prefix codes and Huffman coding, cut sets, spanning trees and minimum spanning trees, Kruskal's and Prim's algorithms, the max flow min cut theorem, which is transport network, case study of game tree and minimax tree. Unit 6 is algebraic structures and coding theory. Topics are the structure of algebra, algebraic systems, semigroups, monoids, groups, homomorphism and normal subgroups, and congruence relations, rings, internal domains and fields, coding theory, polynomial rings and polynomial codes, case study of brief introduction to Galois theory, field theory, and group theory. So now subject is fundamentals of data structures, and in this first unit is introduction to algorithm and data structures. Topics are introduction, from problem to program, problem solution, algorithm, data structure and program. Data structures, which are data, information, knowledge and data structures. Abstract data types, that is ADT. Data structure classification, like linear and non-linear, static and dynamic, persistent and ephemeral data structures. We will study algorithms, problem solving, introduction to algorithm, characteristics of algorithm, algorithm design tools, which are pseudocode and flowchart, complexity of algorithm, like space complexity and time complexity, asymptotic notation, big O, theta and omega, finding complexity using step count method, analysis of programming and structs linear, quadratic, cubic, logarithmic, algorithmic strategies, introduction to algorithm design strategies, which are divide and conquer and greedy strategy. Second unit is linear data structure using sequential Hamming organization. And the topics are concept of sequential organization, overview of array, array as an abstract data type, operations on array, merging of two arrays, storage representation and their addresses, calculation, row measure and column measure, multi-dimensional arrays, which are two-dimensional array, n-dimensional array, concept of ordered list, single variable polynomial, representation using arrays, polynomial as array of structure, polynomial addition and multiplication, space matrix representation using array, space matrix addition, transpose of space matrix, simple and fast transpose, time and space trade-off. Unit 3 is searching and sorting. Searching includes search techniques, sequential search, linear search, variant of sequential search, then binary search, Fibonacci search, and index sequential search. Sorting, types of sorting, internal and external sorting, general sort concept, sort order, stability, efficiency and number of passes. Comparison based sorting, methods, bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, quick sort, shell sort, non-comparison based sorting methods, which are radix sort, counting sort and bucket sort, comparison of all sorting methods and their complexities. Unit 4 is linked list. The topics are introduction to static and dynamic memory allocation, linked list, introduction of linked list, realization of linked list using dynamic memory management operations, linked list as ADT, types of linked list, singly linked list, linear and circular linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list, primitive operations on linked list, create, transfers, search, insert, delete, sort, concatenate, polynomial, manipulations, polynomial, addition, generalized linked list, that is GLL concept, representation of polynomial using GLL. Unit 5 is stack. Topics are basic concept, stack, abstract data type, representation of stacks using sequential organization, stack operations, multiple stacks, application of stack, expression evaluation and conversion, polish notation and expression conversion, need for prefix and post prefix expression, post prefix expression evaluation, link stack and operations, recursion concept, variants of recursion, direct, indirect, tail and tree, backtracking algorithm strategy, use of stack in backtracking. Unit 6 is queue home. Topics are basic concept, queue as abstract data type, representation of queue using sequential organization, queue operations, circular queue and its advantages, multiple queues, linked queue and operations, teak basic concept, types which are input restricted and output restricted, then priority queue, basic concepts and types which are ascending and descending. Next subject is object oriented programming. First unit is fundamentals of object oriented programming. The topics are introduction to object oriented programming, need of object oriented programming, fundamentals of object oriented programming, namespace, objects, classes, data members, methods, messages, data encapsulation, data abstraction and information hiding, inheritance, polymorphism, benefits of OOP which is object oriented programming, C++ as object oriented programming language, C++ programming including C++ programming basics, data types, structures, enumerations, control structures, arrays and strings, class, object, class and data abstraction, access specifiers, separating interface from implementation, functions, function prototype, accessing function and utility function, constructors and destructors, types of constructors, objects and memory requirements, static members which are variable and functions, inline function and friend function. Second unit is inheritance and pointers. Topics are inheritance, base class and derived class, protected members, relationship between base class and derived class, constructors and destructor in derived class, overriding member functions, class hierarchies, public and private inheritance, types of inheritance, ambiguity in multiple inheritance, virtual base class, abstract class, friend class, nested class, pointers, declaring and initializing pointers, indirection operators, memory management including new and delete, pointers to objects, this pointers versus arrays, accessing arrays using pointers, arrays of pointers, function pointer, pointers to derived classes, passing pointers to function, return pointers from function, null pointer and void pointer. Unit 3 is polymorphism. Topics are introduction to polymorphism, types of polymorphism, operator overloading, concept of overloading, operator overloading, overloading unary operators, overloading binary operators, data conversion, typecasting, implicit and explicit, pitfalls of operator overloading and conversion, keywords explicit and mutable, function overloading, runtime polymorphism, pointers to base class, virtual function and its significance in C++, pure virtual function and virtual table, virtual destructor, abstract base class. Unit 4 is files and streams. Topics are data hierarchy, system, stream and files, stream classes, stream errors, disk file input output with streams, file pointers and error handling in file input output, file input output with member functions, overloading, the extraction and insertion operators, memory as a stream object, command line, arguments and printer output. Unit 5 is exception handling and templates. Topics are fundamentals, other error handling techniques, simple exception handling, divide by zero, multiple catching, rethrowing an exception, exception specifications, user defined exceptions, processing unexpected exceptions, constructor, destructor and exception handling, exception and inheritance, templates, the power of templates, function template, overloading function templates and class template and non-type parameters, template and friends, generic functions, the type, name and export keyword. So unit 6 is standard template library STL, and the topics are introduction to STL, STL components, containers, sequence container and associative containers, container adapters, application of container classes, vector list algorithms, basic searching and sorting algorithms, minimum maximum algorithm, set operations, heap sort, iterators, input, output, forward, bidirectional and random access, object oriented programming, roadmap to future. So the next subject is computer graphics CG. First unit is graphic primitive and scan conversion algorithms. Topics are introduction, graphic primitives, pixel resolution, aspect ratio, frame buffer, display devices, application of computer graphics, introduction to OpenGL architecture, primitives and attributes, simple modeling and rendering of 2 and 3 dimensional geometric objects, GLUT, interactions, event and call backs, picking, simple interaction with the mouse and keyboard, scan conversion, line drawing algorithms, digital differential analyzer DDA, Bresenham, circle drawing algorithms DDA, Bresenham and midpoint. Second unit is polygon, windowing and clipping. Topics are introduction to polygon, types, convex, concave and complex, inside test, polygon filling, flood fill, seed fill, scanline fill, windowing and clipping, weaving transformations, 2D clipping, Cohen, Sutherland, algorithm line clipping algorithm, Sutherland Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm, Weiler Atherton polygon clipping algorithm. Unit 3, 2D, 3D transformations and projections, and the topics are 2D transformation, introduction, homogeneous coordinates, 2D transformation, translation, scaling, rotation, shear, rotation about an arbitrary point, 3D transformation, introduction, 3D transformations, translation, scaling, rotation and shear, rotation about arbitrary axis, projections, parallel including oblique, cavalier, cabinet and orthographic, isometric, diametric and triametric, and perspective, vanishing points, 1 point, 2 point and 3 point. Fourth unit is light, color, shading and hidden surfaces. Topics are color modules, properties of light, CIE, chromaticity diagram, RGB, HSV, CMY, illumination models, ambient light, diffuse reflection, specular reflection, and the Phong model. Combined diffuse and specular reflection with multiple light sources, Von model, shading algorithms, which are halftone, Gouraud, and Phong shading, hidden surfaces introduction, backface detection and removal, algorithms like depth buffer Z, depth sorts painter, area subdivision, Von knock. Unit 5 includes curves and fractals, curves, introduction, interpolation and approximation, blending function, B-spline curve, Bezier curve, fractals, introduction, classification, fractal generation, snowflake, Triadic curve, Hilbert curve and application. Unit 6 is Introduction to Animation and Gaming. Topics are segment, introduction, segment table, segment creation, closing, deleting and renaming, visibility. Animation includes introduction, conventional and computer-based animation, design of animation sequences, animation languages, keyframe, morphing, motion specification. Gaming includes introduction, gaming platform, NVIDIA i8060 and advances in gaming. So the next subject is digital electronics and logic design. Unit 1 is minimization technique. Topics are logic design minimization technique, minimization of Boolean function using K-map up to 4 variables, Quine-McCluskey method, representation of side number, sign magnitude representation, one's complements and two complement form, red mark can be removed, sum of product and sum of product of sum form, minimization of SOP and POS using K-map. Second unit is combinational logic design. Topics are code converter, which are BCD, XS3, gray code, binary code, half adder, full adder, half subtractor, full subtractor, binary adder using IC 7483, BCD adder, look ahead carry generator, multiplexers, which is also called as MUX, IC 74153 and 74151, cascading multiplexers and demultiplexers, which is also called as DMUX, decoder IC 74138 and 74154, implementation of SOP and POS using MUX, DMUX, comparators, 2-bit comparators, parity generators and checker. Unit 3 is sequential logic design. Topics are flip-flop, SR, JK, D, T, preset and clear, master slave, JK flip-flops, truth tables and excitation tables, conversion from one type to another type of flip-flop, registers, serial in, serial out, serial in, parallel in, serial out, parallel in, parallel out, shift registers, bidirectional shift registers, ring counter, universal shift register counters, asynchronous counter, synchronous counter, BCD count, Johnson counter, modulus of the counter using IC 7490, synchronous sequential circuit design like models, Murray and Mealy model, state diagram and state table, design procedure, sequence generator and detector. Fourth unit is algorithmic state machines and programmable logic devices. Topics are algorithmic state machines, finite state machine, that is FSM, of ASM charts, notations, construction of ASM chart and realization of sequential circuits, PLDs like PLD, ROM as PLD, programmable logic array PLA, programmable logic array, that is PAL, combinational circuit using PLDs. Unit 5 is logic families. Topics are classification of logic families, unipolar, bipolar logic families, characteristics of digital ICs, fan in, fan out, current and voltage parameters, noise immunity, propagation delay, power dissipation, figure of merits, operating temperature range, power supply requirements, transistor logic, operation of TTL NAND gate, 2 input, TTL with active pull-up, TTL with open collector output, wired AND connection, tri-state TTL devices, TTL transistor characteristics, CMOS including CMOS inverter, CMOS characteristics, CMOS configurations, wired logic, open drain outputs. Unit 7 is Introduction to Computer Architecture. Topics are Introduction to Ideal Microprocessor, Data Bus, Address Bus, Control Bus, Microprocessor based systems, basic operation, microprocessor operation, block diagram of microprocessor, functional unit of microprocessor, ALU using IC 74181, basic arithmetic operation using ALU IC 74181, which is 4-bit multiplier circuit using ALU and shift registers, memory organization and operations, digital circuit using decoder and registers for memory operations. Now, semester 4 of second year. First subject is Engineering Mathematics 3. Unit 1 is Linear Differential Equations, LDE. Topics is LDE of nth order with constant coefficients, complementary function, particular integral, general method, short methods, method of variation of parameters, Cauchy's and Legendre's differential equations, Simultaneous and symmetric simultaneous differential equations. Unit 2 is transforms. Topics are Fourier transform (FT), complex exponential form of Fourier series, Fourier integral theorem, Fourier sine and cosine integrals, Fourier transform, Fourier sine and cosine transforms and their inverses, discrete Fourier transform, Z transform, ZT, introduction, definition, standard properties ZT of standard sequences and their inverses, solution of difference equations. Third unit is statistics and the topics are measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, coefficient of variation, moments, skewness and kurtosis, curve fitting, fitting of straight line, parabola and related curves, correlation and regression, reliability of regression estimates. Unit 4 is probability and probability distributions. Topics are probability, theorems on probability, Bayes' theorem, random variables, mathematical expectation, probability density function, probability distributions like binomial, Poisson, normal and hypergeometric, sampling distributions, test of hypothesis, chi-square test, t-test. Fifth unit is numerical methods and topics are numerical solution of algebraic and transcendental equations, bisection, secant, regula, fallacy, Newton-Raphson and successive approximation methods, convergence and stability, numerical solutions of system of linear equations, Gauss elimination, LU, decomposition, Cholesky, Jacobi and Gauss-Seidel methods. Unit 6 is numerical methods. Topics are interpolation, finite differences, Newtons and Lagranges, interpolation formula, numerical differentiation, numerical integration, trapezoidal Simpson's rule, bond of truncation error, solution of ordinary differential equations, Euler's modified Euler's, Runge-Gupta fourth order method, predictor corrector methods. Next subject is data structures and algorithms. Unit 1 of DSA is hashing. Contents are hashing table, concepts, hash table, hash function, basic operations, bucket, collision, probe, synonym, overflow, open hashing, closed hashing, perfect hash, function, load density, full table, load factor, rehashing, issues, in-hashing, hash function, properties of good, hash functions, division, multiplication, extraction, mid-square, folding and universal, collision resolution strategies like open addressing and chaining, hash table overflow, open addressing and chaining, extendable hashing, closed addressing and separate chaining. The second unit is trees and the topics are tree basic terminology, general tree and its representation using sequential and linked organization, binary tree, its properties, converting tree to binary tree transversals, recursive and non-recursive, in order, pre-order, post-order, depth first and breadth first, operations on binary tree, Huffman tree, concept and use, binary search tree, BST, and its operations. Thread binary search tree, its concepts. Threading, insertion and deletion of nodes in order. Threaded binary search tree, in order transversal of in order threaded binary search. Third unit is graphs, basic concept of storage representation, adjacency matrix, adjacency list, adjacency multilist, inverse adjacency list, transversals, depth first and breadth first, minimum spanning tree, greedy algorithms for computing minimum spanning tree, Prim's and Kruskal algorithm, Discreta, single core, single source, shortest path algorithm, all pairs shortest path algorithm like flood Warshall algorithm, topological ordering. Fourth unit is search trees, and the topics are symbol table representation of symbol tables, static trees table and dynamic tree table, weight balance tree, optimal binary search tree, that is OBST. OBST as an example of dynamic programming, height balance tree, AVL tree, red black tree, AA tree, k-dimensional tree and split tree. Unit 5 is indexing and multi-way trees. Topics are indexing and multi-way trees, indexing techniques, primary, secondary, dense, sparse, multi-way search trees like B trees, insertion, deletion, B plus tree, insertion, deletion, use of B plus tree in indexing, and triad tree. Unit 6 is file organization, and topics are files, concept, need, primitive operations, sequential file organization, concept and primitive operations, direct access files, its concepts and primitive operations, indexed sequential file organization, its concepts, types of indices, structure of index sequential file, linked organization, multilist files, coral rings, inverted files and cellular partitions. Next subject is software engineering. The first unit is introduction to software engineering and software process models. Topics are software engineering fundamentals, introduction to software engineering, the nature of software, defining software, software engineering practice, software processes, a generic process model, defining a framework, activity, identifying a task set, process patterns, process assessment and improvement, prescriptive process models, the waterfall model, incremental process model, evolutionary process models, a final word on evolutionary processes, unified process, agile software development, agile methods, plan driven and agile development. Second unit is software requirements, engineering and analysis. Topics are modeling, requirements, engineering, establishing the groundwork, identifying stakeholders, recognizing multiple viewpoints, working toward collaboration, asking the first questions, eliciting requirements, collaborative requirements gathering, usage scenarios, elicitation, work products, developing use cases, building the requirements model, elements of the requirement model, negotiating requirements, and validating requirements. Third unit is estimation and scheduling. Topics are estimation for software projects, the project planning process, defining software scope and checking feasibility, resources management, reusable software resources, environmental resources, software project estimation, decomposition techniques, software sizing, problem based estimation, LOC based estimation, FP based estimation, object point OP based estimation, process based estimation, estimation with use cases, use case based estimation, reconciling estimation, empirical estimation models, the structure of estimation models, the COCOMO2 mode, preparing requirement traceability matrix. Unit 4 is design engineering. Topics are design concepts, design within the context of software engineering, the design process, software quality guidelines and attributes, design concepts, abstraction, architecture, design patterns, separation of concerns, modularity, information hiding, functional independence, refinement, aspects, refactoring, object-oriented design concept, design classes, the design model, data design elements, architectural design elements, interface design elements, component level design elements, component level design for web apps, content design at the component level, functional design at component level, deployment level design elements, architectural design such as software architecture, what is architecture, why is architecture important, architectural styles, a brief taxonomy of architectural styles. Fifth unit is risk and configuration management. Topics are risk management, software risk, risk identification, risk projection, risk refinement, risk mitigation, monitoring and management, the RMM plan, software configuration management, the SCM repository, the SCM process, configuration management for any suitable software system, suggested free open source tools, CF engine configuration tool, Puppet configuration tool. Sixth unit is software testing, and the topics are strategic approach to software testing, verification and validation, organizing for software testing strategy, the big picture, criteria for completion of testing, strategic issues, test strategies for conventional software, unit testing, integration testing, the test strategies for object-oriented software, unit testing in the OO context, integration testing in the OO context, the test strategies for web apps, validation testing, validation test criteria, configuration review, suggested free open source tool, Selenium JUnit. So the next subject is microprocessor, and the first unit is Introduction to 80386. Topics are brief history of Intel processors, 80386 DX features and architecture, programming model, operating modes, addressing modes and data type, applications instruction set, data movement instructions, binary arithmetic instructions, decimal arithmetic instructions, logical instruction, control transfer instructions, string and character transfer instructions, instructions for structured language, flag control instructions, coprocessor interface instructions, segment register instructions, miscellaneous instructions. The second unit is bus cycles and system architecture. Topics are initialization, processor state after reset, functional pin diagram, functionality of various pins, input-output organization, memory, memory banks, basic memory read and write cycles with timing diagram, system architecture, system registers like system flags, memory management registers, control registers, debug registers, test registers, and system instructions. Third unit is memory management, and the topics are global descriptor table, local descriptor table, interrupt descriptor table, GDTR, LDTR, IDTR, formats of descriptors and selector, segment translation, page translation, combining segment and page translation. Fourth unit is protection, and the topics are need of protection, overview of 80386 DX protection mechanisms, protection rings and levels, privilege instruction, concept of DPL, CPL, RPL, EPL, interprivilege level transfers using call gates, confirming code segment, privilege levels and stacks, page level protection, combining segment and page level protection. Unit 5 is multitasking and virtual 8086 mode. Topics are multitasking, task state segment, TSS descriptor, task register, task gate descriptor, task switching, task linking, task address space, virtual mode including features, memory management in virtual mode, entering and leaving virtual mode. Unit 6 is interrupts, exceptions, and introduction to microcontrollers. The topics are interrupts and exceptions, identifying interrupts, enabling and disabling interrupts, priority among simultaneous interrupts and exceptions, interrupt descriptor table IDT, IDT descriptors, interrupt task and interrupt procedures, error code and exception conditions, introduction to microcontrollers, architecture to typical microcontroller, difference between microprocessor and microcontroller, characteristics of microcontrollers, application of microcontrollers. Next subject is principle of programming languages. First unit is fundamentals of programming, and its topics are importance of studying programming languages, history of programming languages, impact of programming paradigms, introduction to programming paradigms, introduction to 4 main programming paradigms: procedural, object oriented, functional, and logic, and rule based. Unit 2 is structuring the data, computations, and program. The topics are elementary data types, primitive data types, character string types, user defined ordinal types, array types, associative arrays, record types, union types, pointer and reference type, expression and assignment statement, arithmetic expression, overload operators, type conversions, relational and boolean expressions, short circuit evaluation, assignment statements, mixed mode assignment, statement level control statements, selection statement, iterative statement, unconditional branching, subprograms like fundamentals of programs, design issue for subprograms, local referencing environments, parameter passing methods, abstract data types, and encapsulation construct, design issues for abstraction, parameterized abstract data types, encapsulation constructs, naming encapsulations. Unit 3 is Java as object-oriented programming language overview. Topics are fundamentals of Java, arrays, one-dimensional array, multi-dimensional array, alternative array, declaration statements, string handling like string class methods, classes and methods, class fundamentals, declaring objects, assigning object reference and variable, adding methods to a class, returning a value, constructors, this keyword, garbage collection, finalize method, overloading methods, argument passing, object as parameter, returning objects, access control, static, final, nested, and inner classes, command line arguments, variable, length arguments. Fourth unit is inheritance, packages, and exception handling using Java. Topics are inheritances, member access and inheritance, superclass references using super, multi-level hierarchy, constructor call sequence, method over, dynamic method dispatch, abstract classes, object classes, packages and interfaces including defining a package, finding packages and class paths, access protection, importing packages, interfaces like defining, implementation, nesting, applying, variables in interfaces, extending interfaces, instance of operator, fundamental exception types, uncaught exception, try and catch, throw, throws, finally, multiple catch clauses, nested try statements, built-in exceptions, custom exceptions, creating your own exception subclasses, managing input-output like streams, byte streams and character streams, predefined streams, reading console input, writing console output, print writer class. Unit 5 is multi-threading in Java. Topics are concurrency and synchronization, Java thread model, thread priorities, synchronization, messaging, main thread, creating thread, implementation, implementing thread using thread class and runnable interface, creating multiple threads using a live and join method, web-based application in Java, use of JavaScript for creating web-based application in Java, introduction to JavaScript frameworks like React.js, Vue.js, AngularJS, which are open source. Now the sixth unit is logical and functional programming, and the topics are functional programming paradigms, understanding symbol manipulation, basic LISP functions, definition, predicates, conditionals and scoping, recursion and iteration, properties, list array and access functions, using lambda definitions, printing, reading and atom manipulation, logic programming paradigm, an overview of Prolog syntax and meaning of Prolog programs, lists, operators, arithmetic and using structures. So thanks for watching this video, and please do like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you have any doubt or you want another video on any other engineering stream, so you can comment down below and I will definitely reply you, or will make another video. And please subscribe and press the bell icon so that newest video will be notified to you.